at all the toys. Oh my goodness.
Did Santa come to your house?
Ruby.
You must have been a good girl.
Look.
Are you
Look what Santa
overwhelmed?
brought. What is this?
Did Santa bring you a bicycle? Oh my goodness,
It's my baby doll.
you must have to unwrap it.
I bet he's... Look, a baby bed. A baby bed.
Oh, Ruby, he brought you a bed for your babies. Can you unwrap this?
Let me open it.
Open it.
Well, look, unwrap this one.
Let me open this.
It's Christmas. We open
this
all of
one.
them.
Oh.
We're going to open them.
Let me take
Look.
the bow off.
You can take the bow off.
Look.
Say, oh boy.
Oh.
Look.
That's my baby doll.
Can you say thank you, Santa?
Just tear it off.
Get all that paper off. Is that a baby doll? Do you love it?